Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Shelly and today I am doing an after hours clean with me. I just put my son down for bed and this kitchen, it speaks for itself. It is a disaster and it severely needs to be cleaned up as soon as possible. Make sure you click the bell notification so that you see when I upload my clean and decorate with me, because I definitely will be doing that and I'm very excited for it and you don't want to miss it. So without further ado, let's get into cleaning this disaster of a house. I'm going to set 10-minute timers on my microwave for the dishes, for sweeping and mopping. I want to clean up the living room, and if I have time for it, I want to clean the bathroom.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me, hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. sees. Oh, you meant the world to me.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need